Hi everyone, today I want to quickly show you how to unlock the screen pattern password. In some cases, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software. Alright, remove your SIM card and memory card to avoid corrupting any files on your card or SIM. Put it on the emergency screen, connect the cable. You'll press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, it's important that you follow this procedure closely. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, keep holding the volume up button, release the power button, and keep holding volume up until it enters recovery mode. Then we'll go there and show you the unlock option. Alright, so I'll show you here to make it easier for you. With the cable connected, SIM card removed and memory card out as well, press volume down and power. It's important that you follow the exact timing for your device. Okay, keep holding it. Release the volume down button. Once it has restarted, keep holding the buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. And now, yes, just release the power button and keep holding up there, just the volume up button, until it enters recovery mode. In this recovery mode, disconnect the cable. Remember everyone that this procedure here, it also works for other Samsung models. Now from here, press the volume down button until you reach the factory reset option, confirm with the power button, and then confirm again. Let's wait on this screen. Here we just confirm and your device is already being unlocked. If you also need to unlock yours and mine, that's a Google account. Talk to me, get in touch with us, and we'll be here trying to help you in the best way we can. Alright? You can clear up your doubts, ask your questions, check the price for your unlock, or any other questions you might have, you can ask them here. Just so you know, it's already being unlocked. As we said, you just need to wait. It will restart soon and you can set it up as usual. Alright? If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much you can help. What matters is your support and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Take care. Thanks. See you next time.